Hello friend, today we are going to learn Poisson queening system. First, write the description of Poisson queening system. A Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution which predict the number of arrivals in a given time. The Poisson distribution involves the probability of occurrence of an arrival, and Poisson assumption is quite restrictive in some cases. It assumes that the arrivals are random and independent of all other operating conditions. The mean arrival rate lambda means here mean arrival rate is lambda is assumed to be constant over time and is independent of the number of units already served. A queen's length or waiting line length or any other random property of the waiting line are discussed. Since the mean arrival rate is constant over time, it follows that the probability of arrival between time t and t plus dt is lambda dt. Means the probability of an arrival between time t and t plus dt is lambda dt. The following characteristics of Poisson distribution are written here without proof. That is, the probability of n arrival in time t is equal to lambda t to the power n e to the power minus lambda t upon n factorial, and here n is equal to value 0, 1, 2 and so on. Means the probability of n arrival in time t is equal to lambda t raised to the power n e to the power minus lambda t upon n factorial, and probability density function of inter arrival time is equal to lambda e to the power minus lambda t. Finally, the Poisson distribution assumes that the time period dt is very small, so that the dt square and dt cube etc tend to 0, means ignore this value. Service time is the time required for completion of the service, that is the mean arrival time, and then next is the service time. Service time is the time required for the completion of the service, that is it is the time interval between beginning of the service and its completion of the service. Means the service time is time between the beginning of the service and completion of the service. The mean service rate is the number of customers served per unit time, and that is while this value is equal to 1 upon mu. 1 upon mu is the time required to serve one customer, means 1 by mu is the time required to serve one customer. The most common type of distribution used for service time is exponential distribution, and it involves the probability of completion of service. It should be noted that Poisson distribution cannot be applied to servicing because of the probability of service facility remaining ideal for some time. Poisson distribution assumes the fixed time interval of continuous servicing which can be never assured in all service. Mean service rate mu is also assumed to be constant over time and independent of number of units already served, queue length, or any other random property of the system. Thus, probability that the service is completed between t and time t plus dt provide that the service is continuous and is equal to mu dt, means that is the probability of service complete between t and t plus dt, that is equal to mu dt, and probability of n complete service in time t n complete service in time t is equal to mu t to the power n e to the power mu t upon minus mu t upon n factorial, and probability density function of inter service time equal to mu e to the power minus mu t, and the probability that customer shall be served in more than time t is equal to more than time t म्हणजे probability of customer shall be serviced in more than time t is equal to e to the power mu t. Then we see the sum formula for the Poisson Queening system, that is written here. The some formulas. Learn this formula, and this is help of this formula we solve some problem of Queening system. First write the formulas. First is traffic intensity. The ratio of lambda upon mu is called the traffic intensity or utilization factor, and it is determined to degree to which the capacity of service station is utilized. For instance, if customer arrive at rate 9 per hour and service rate is 10 per hour, therefore utilization of the service facility is 9 by 10 means 90%. And this is the example of traffic intensity. The traffic intensity use this formula lambda upon mu and find this value, and it is known as utilization of service also. And second is average length of the queue. Average length of the queue is lambda upon mu into lambda upon mu minus lambda. This is the average length of queue, that is lambda upon mu into lambda upon mu minus lambda. Third is average number of unit in the system. Average number of unit in the system is found by using formula lambda upon mu minus lambda. Then fourth formula is average length of non-empty queue, lambda upon mu minus lambda. Lambda upon mu minus lambda, that is the average length of the unit in system and average length of the non-empty queue. Then 5, average waiting time of an arrival, that is equal to lambda upon mu into mu minus lambda. Then 6, the average waiting time of an arrival who wait, that is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda. And 7 is average time and arrival spent in the system, 1 upon mu minus lambda. The average waiting time of an arrival who wait is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda, and the average time an arrival spent in the system is 1 upon mu minus lambda. These two are same and these two are same. Average number of unit in system and average length of non-empty queue, that is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda. These two are same and these two are also same. These 5 formulas are known, and we find the value of given problem. Then take the one problem for finding this value. First problem is example first. A person repairing radio find that the time spent on the radio set has exponential distribution with mean 20 minutes if the radio are repaired in the order in which they come in and their arrival is approximately Poisson with an average rate of 15 for 8-hour day. What is repairman expected ideal time each day, and how many jobs are ahead of the average set just brought in. In this problem, and the average rate is 15 for 8 hours day, that is arrival rate is equal to arrival rate is denoted by lambda, and that is 15 hours per 15 for 8 hours days, 15 8 hours day, and 1 hour is 60 minutes, that is equal to this 15 divided by 8 into 16, that is equal to 1 by 32 units per minute. This is given in hours, therefore convert this in minute, that is 15 divided by 8 into 16, that is equal to 1 upon 32 units per minute. Then we find the service rate. Service rate is mu, and mu is equal to 1 upon 20, because this problem is given that the time spent on the radio set has exponential distribution with mean 20 per minute. Therefore, this is the value of 1 upon mu is 20 minutes. Therefore, mu is equal to 1 upon 20 unit per minute. Then we find the number of how many jobs are ahead of average set just brought in, means number of job ahead of the set brought in, means average number of job in the system. is average number of job in a system, that is equal to ls is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda, and put the value of lambda 1 by 32 upon 1 by 20 minus 1 by 32. Then by calculating this value we get 5 by 3. Then next we find the number of hours, and second is find what is the repairman expected ideal time each day. Means number of hours for which repairman remains busy in and 8 hours, that is equal to number of hours for which the repairman remains ideal in an 8 hours day is equal to 8 into lambda upon mu, that is equal to 8 into 1 upon 32 upon 1 upon 20, that is equal to 5 hours. And therefore time for which repairman remains ideal in an 8 hours day is equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3